Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the mobile version of the Home Connect app, a smart appliance control platform that allows users to manage and monitor compatible home appliances from brands like Bosch and Siemens right from their phone. With the Home Connect app, users can remotely start, stop, or schedule appliances such as dishwashers, washing machines, ovens, and coffee makers. The app provides notifications about cycle status, maintenance needs, and even suggests recipes based on your appliances. It supports voice control via Google Assistant and Alexa, adding more flexibility to your smart home setup. Pros of the Home Connect app include centralized control of multiple appliances, remote accessibility, integration with voice assistants, and useful alerts for maintenance and performance. The interface is user-friendly and designed to reduce daily household workload. However, the app has a few notable drawbacks. Some users face connectivity issues between the app and appliances, especially after updates. The initial pairing process can be frustrating and unintuitive. Additionally, while basic features are reliable, advanced functions may not work as expected across all appliance models. There are also occasional delays in command execution. So, is Home Connect worth it? If you already own compatible appliances and want a more streamlined, connected smart home experience, the app is definitely worth trying. Just be prepared for some trial and error with setup and occasional hiccups with certain features. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.